Hello, and these are our bikes. It's pretty much two stock WeThePeoples, except they got some new parts like tyres and stuff. So let's start with the Crysis. So we got the FAF tyres, 2.3 wide on both, and yeah, pretty much stock everything else. And then we got some Odyssey M pegs in chrome silver. Then we have some stolen money grips and a United Beacon sugar. Pretty handy. So yeah, that is the bike. And then we've got WeThePeople Justice with a new front tyre. So we've got Odyssey Chase Hawk 2.4 wide Q-Lice tyre. And then we've got United sticker and stock frame for it. And yeah, stock cranks, stock wheel, back wheel anyway. And then we have my WeThePeople bars, salt bars, and then we got stolen money grips with a white ODI bar, and we both got our brakes cable tied back. Yeah, so this is what the sprocket of a WeThePeople Justice sounds like. Yeah, so that's that. And then we have this one that sounds pretty much the same, but yeah. That is our two bikes. Thanks for watching and subscribe.